Hello friends, welcome to Educative Curve. This is Somrita and today we will learn about the two forms of infinitives. Okay? Let's start. See. To be plus infinitives. Now, I had told you in my first video of auxiliaries that to be is, are, am, was, were. Right? So, all these words are used with the infinitive to make express plans, express order, duty or obligation, and we'll also learn the use of to be with have. Okay? So expressing the plan, let's see. I am to make a speech tomorrow. That means I am going to make a speech tomorrow. So it is my plan in the future to make a speech or to give a speech. Okay? Express order. Students are to wait outside. That means someone is ordering the students to wait outside and not come inside the school or any kind of buildings. Okay? So here we are using the are form of the be verb to express the order. Okay? Now obligation and duty. I am to help my brother. Okay? So it is our duty to help our brothers and sisters in any way we can. After all, their benefit will benefit, right? So I am to help my brother means it is my duty or my obligation to help my brother. So I am using am to. To be plus have. Now, as we have seen with all the other forms of modals, that when we use have, we usually say that the thing could have been done and has not been done. That means this thing could have happened and it did not happen, right? So in to be plus have, it has the same meaning that he was to attempt the marriage but could not do so, right? So he was going to attempt the marriage but he could not do so for maybe several reasons that we don't know, that only he knows, right? But he did not attend the marriage. He was supposed to attend. Okay? Now let's come to have plus infinitive. Now have verb has two forms, have and has, right? As we have discussed in our first video of the modals, right? See, it means a compulsion or a must be done thing. Okay? So when we say to have, that means that work has to be done. It is not something that we can keep aside and forget about. Okay? That is the most important thing and we have to do that. Right? See, obligation. I have to go now. I do not have to do this. That means here I am saying that I have to go right at this moment or else I might miss something or something might happen. So I have to go. Right? And in this video, I do not have to do this. That means it is not my duty to do that particular thing. Right? So I do not have to do. That means I am confident, I cannot do this thing. That I do not have to do this thing. Right? Infinitive means, infinitive is to. Right? To is the infinitive over here and we are using to with have and a be verb to express these modals. Okay? So this is it for the infinitives used and we'll talk about more modals in the next video. Please like, share, comment and click the bell option for notification. Subscribe to our channel by clicking on this logo and see there is an exercise in the description box for you to practice. Thank you.